Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on Instagram and showing you how to remove friends from your close friends list using your PC. This feature allows you to share more personal content selectively, and managing your list is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Next, look for the More icon located on the left side menu of your screen. This icon usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. Once you've opened the More menu, navigate to Settings. This section contains various account settings, including privacy options and account management. In the Settings menu, find and click on Close Friends. Here, you will see a list of all the friends currently added to your close friends circle. This is where you can manage who gets access to your more private stories. Now comes the crucial part: choosing the friends you want to remove. Scroll through the list until you find the individuals you wish to take off your close friends list. Next to each name, there should be an option to remove them. Click on this option for each friend you want to remove. After making your selections, ensure that you save any changes if prompted. Instagram does not notify users when they are removed from your close friends list, so don't worry about hurting anyone's feelings. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully managed your close friends list on Instagram using your PC. Remember, this feature is designed to give you more control over who sees your personal content, so feel free to update your list whenever necessary. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy sharing!